Hey YouTube, it's Faye, and for today's video, I present to you yet another reason why my build is taking so long. And in today's video, I want to show you a job that I thought would take 5 minutes and ended up taking half of my day. How many of y'all can relate? Let me know in the comments below, and hope you enjoy this quick video. So I finally took the plunge and went and got the super damper. Sorry, I'll find something to do with you. But the problem is that here we have the stock bolt, which, you know, fits great on this one, but it does not fit very nicely on this one. So we're gonna have to machine the outside edge of that so that it fits in there. Look how perfect it is.
Oh my.
Oh my.
It's nice. It's nice.
It's nice.
That's perfect. And you see how now it's like a race car. You have access to it.
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah, because if you're doing it timing, you're doing anything.
Yeah, so I didn't want the ARP. I don't want anything that's like sunken in there. I'll be able to see it.
I think it's old school. Cool.
Love it. All right, well,
All right.
that solves that problem. Here's hoping it's just gonna slide right on, but it might not. Oh yeah, it is. That's got some. Oh yeah, I see why that's your favorite. That's
And
got some
sometimes
mass
using
behind
too small of a hammer damages stuff because you're just beating on it, but you're not moving anything. It's really, there should be a video on the right hammer because really, it's truly.
There should be a video on the
You can
video.
do more damage with too small of a hammer.
Oh god, actually, I didn't know that.
It sounds like a t-shirt, right?
This is gonna be the longest, most boringest installation video of my life.
You have to speed it up.
Yeah, I'll have to like do it 1,000 times. Do it 2,000 times speed. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness. Well, that was quite a lot.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. All right, well, where's my little thingy?
Baby project though, done.
I know, it's like, oh, let me just throw this thing on real quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, said no one ever. All right. Hi, Clemmy. Hi, Clemmy. Oh. How are you doing today? Wonderful? Oh, good. Oh my gosh, you guys got the cord! Look at her feet. Look at her feet. Oh, hi, Scarlett. Oh.